How to select and play songs in the Samsung Music playlist. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, swipe up to go into the apps screen, and in here, open up Samsung Music. Next, at the top, tap on Playlist, and then go and open up a playlist. Now in here, if you tap on the play button, then it will add all the available songs in the list to the music queue. If you tap on the shuffle play button, it will add in the 10 tracks from the list to the queue, but will add it in a random manner. So songs will be mixed up and added to the queue. And if you want to select certain songs in the list, so if you don't want to add the whole list to the queue, you can simply touch and hold. And once you are in a selection mode, you can simply just select the songs that you like to play. So here I like to play this 3 songs. So I have selected 3 songs, and then I'll tap on play. So you can tap on play, or you can tap on add button to add it to the queue. We can just play. So here I will tap on the play button, and it will immediately add it to the top of the queue, and then your songs will get to play first, and then it will continue on with the music queue. And so that is how you can select and play songs from your playlist on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.